Ooh, this looks nice.
Is that a road or a river?
It's a river. Let me just get a nice screenshot of all of some of the road.
Will they park next to you?
Nah, it's fine. Oh, baby.
Apparently, parking brake wasn't good enough for that.
Fuck it, I got one screenshot, that's good enough, let's roll.
Fucking rock is so low, I get stuck on everything.
I have such a big nose that I smash it in when I try and do real crosses.
I'm not looking forward to this.
Bloody hell, you made it though.
I'm planning. I like to see the
I feel like
sky.
I've taken the more difficult route across this island.
And river number 2. Ooh. Oh my goodness, another B130.
Callum,
Yeah?
that was close. You fell over.
That's right, there's a tree that is stopping.
Fuck off, you piece of shit.
Every time Cat approaches his mouth, it's great.
Fuck's sake.
Nothing's good about life in that thing, is it?
I mean, it's constantly good going.
And it's got an accordion and tits.
Yeah, I mean, that's perfect. What do you need?
Ooh, this bit's gonna be fun. Get ready to take enormous amounts of damage.
Hold on, I need a minute.
Sure.
Alright,
Let's see if you get it started.
Bloody hell.
There you go, that's it.
Right.
Look at it, spinning it right around.
You alright?
Yeah, I'll be alright.
It's coming.
Well, return as well.
Right then.
Oh dear,
Let's
oh
go.
dear, oh dear,
Don't let Callum.
oh dear!
Bloody hell, Gavin.
Callum, you're gonna be alright.
I'm gonna be fine. Oh dear God.
Thank you.
Hold on, we're not right yet. Help me. Oh, you absolute
I
ledge.
can't actually see what's going on. Is it
You were
helping?
doing it, and now you're not anymore. I
I'm,
don't know
I'm
what
digging myself into the
Oh,
ground.
there you go. Keep doing it.
This isn't going very well, Rob.
That might be far enough to start the engine. No, please. Gotta help me, man.
I'm doing my best.
Yes. Come on. Oh, yes. Yes. Oh, apparently the engine still can't start there.
Fuck it out.
There you go. Has anyone got repairs that are happy to
I
give
do have a little bit, yes.
No, Cameron, no.
Oh,
Oh,
Callum's got it right there.
bloody hell.
You mean the...
Oh man, yeah, this road looks good. This looks like it's going to be Cameron's new favourite road.
What is Cameron's current favourite road?
Don't think that bears thinking about. This isn't really too bad, to be honest.
Trying to be very careful.
Oh, yeah, sort of easy. Bloody hell. That's the easiest driving I've done in ages.
Where's Cameron now?
And where you left me.
Are you stuck?
Yes.
Oh, fuck's sake.
Oh.
Sorry, I could make you
Wait, no, there I am now. Just no, not just now.
Jesus, Kevin. That thing has nose issues.
It does.
Right then. And from here, up here.
This is. Oh, let's just push Rob. Yeah. Oh my god, sorry.
Oh,
You're going into the sky.
heavens. Right, come on. You're going the wrong way, apart from anything else, you bloody ingrate.
What? You hadn't started moving yet, you fucking inbred.
Oh dear. Don't do that to him.
Please, in my way.
You hadn't started moving, then you call us inbred, then you flip me over.
I didn't call you inbred. I called you an ingrate. There's a difference.
Give you a
Right,
hand,
turn your
Cameron.
wheels
Oh,
for me, come on.
there
There
we
you
go.
go.
Weak self.
Turn your wheels myself. Yeah, dude,
Get the fuck out of the way now, get out.
Can you make a video rather than trucking? Can you just make a video called Cameron is mad?
No.
Like Cameron is pure salt.
Cameron's only mad because this game is ridiculous.
I don't think the game's ridiculous, like the truck you picked is awful.
You gave it me.
No, you said I'll have the gas.
I'm not gonna end up with this piece of shit and they'll be complaining.
I offered you 3 choices. So, yeah, I'll have the gas.
It was a sacrifice for the rest of us.
To the fucking flesh god. Nope.
Oh, the fucking piece of shit! The wheel's stuck on that fucking lump, so I can't go forward.
In the right direction, you
Oh, that's
ridiculous.
alright. Mine's having trouble there.
Shit.
What?
You're pushing me.
You were insulting us because we literally weren't moving and you were saying we're going in the wrong direction.
You're pushing me in the wrong direction.
Callum was pushing me!
Oh. Well, I'm sorry, Cameron.
Fucking twat.
You're gonna like this next bit.
I'm liking this fucking bit.
Come on, keep going. Hey. Right, I've made it to the top.
Whoop-de fucking do. Oh my god. Callum, there's gotta be another way up the hill.
There's some bits.
There's a lot of fucking bits.
Might be problematic. Hold on. I'll tell you.
No, it's fine.
Nah,
I'll just
I'll tell you.
drag myself out.
Nah, man's
Oh.
telling you.
Nah, man's
Shut your
out.
fucking
Man
face,
is
man's
fucking
telling you.
out. The man's out.
But man's fucking telling you.
Ooh, the camera is just...
Look, it's the start of another day. Da-da-da-da-da. Dynamic, and you're right.
Do you need anime, Cam?
Do you
Do you need
have-
anime,
do you-
Kaz?
I do,
Or-
right.
Kaz, do you need an hand?
I need anime.
Come here.
No!
Oh, whoops.
Fuck off.
Wrong trigger.
All along, I'm really fast.
You're right.
We're on this
Back in
now.
road.
Oh, dude, let's race.
No.
Yeah, let's race. I made it.
Right, we done it.
Right, we're back here now.
Right, yeah, that's what I'm
Set up your trucks in such a way that they'll be able to complete the objective without any problems.
Too late, we lost. You're so orange, it hurts my eyes.
There's not much... Oh,
Yes.
there we go.
Yes!
That's gonna go in the Mega Mix.
Oh, piss off. No, it's not. I hate that song. You didn't need us at all.
Oh, I told you
You
out.
literally just towed me out, you prat.
Oh.
Come on, Cam, we go the other way.
What? There is no other way, is there?
There's got to be another way.
Right, ready?
No!
Alright.
Oh.
Shit, fuck, cunt.
Oh my god.
Oh, while you sort that out, I'm gonna get my phone charger.
You're in the way though. Brilliant. I was drinking a cider.
Oh.
Don't drink a grudge.
It's alright if you're in. Hold on, fam. I got this. I'll just sit inside you. He's gonna charge down the hill and squish you back. Oh wait, actually, wait a minute.
I'm gonna get
Wait a minute, fam. Go on. Go on. You fat fucker. I'm gonna do this. You'll be fine.
That's it, nearly.
No! Your spikes are dragging you the wrong way around again.
No!
Yes!
Well... We've merged.
We are one.
We're all in this together.
I'm sorry, Rob, I'm not turning.
It will work. It always...
It's not.
It always works.
I know it does, but it's not.
Oh, whoa! Why did that happen? Yak that. There we go. I did it. Ish. There we go.
It's a team effort.
Ah.
Oh god.
Thanks, man. Oh dear, will you stop it? You killed my
I'm
engine.
trying to help. I'm trying to sort you out. I don't know what to do.
Right, if you just shift out the way, ow. Oh god. You made things a bit worse.
Right, plan is...
You're gonna fold me in half. Don't do that.
Plan is to fold you out so you flip out like you had.
No, don't do it! What are you doing? Stop it! You're killing me.
I was hoping if I fixed.
If you could just drive into my cab a bit and push me over a tiny bit. Right, not the back bit, because you'll pull me the wrong way around as soon as you... Hey, just there you go, stop. Now stay like that. Stop pulling me, fam. Now, back off.
God, inside your truck so muddy. You slap. Post over. Fucking hell, you come with me now. It's over. Fucking dead.
Oh my god! My physics broke again. It was hilarious. Oh man!
Yeah.
Come on, Kev.
Yeah, let's go, let's go. Watch out for that first corner as well. It's even worse than Charles.